One of the most significant market changes in recent years has been the demise of Celcius Network, and the platform has suffered significantly due to the market meltdown. After its market cap dropped to $290 million, it was forced to halt all withdrawals. The network was forced to go into the ultra-quiet mode to calm its customers after they filled platforms like Reddit with negativity concerning the platform. But now, the network has broken the silence and claims to have a comeback plan. What is the plan all about? Can Celcius really get back on its feet? Hello and welcome to today's video, where we will be talking all about Celcius Network. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the post notification bell. With that done, let's get started. Investors in cryptocurrencies and the cryptocurrency market as a whole have suffered greatly over the past few months. The current crypto winter is a terrifyingly long and dark night, and the experience has been made worse by the ban on the Celcius network. Due to the harsh market conditions, the lending network suspended swaps, transfers, and withdrawals. This happened as the price of cryptocurrencies fell precipitously, with Bitcoin falling to record lows of $17,000. Due to regulatory worries, financial instability has been spreading around the globe for months, but the failures of Terra Luna and UST made cryptography vulnerable. In May 2022, UST went through a major upheaval that cost investors more than 99% of their assets and investments. The fallout from this crash upended the crypto market. Now, unanswered queries drive investors insane. How will I get my money back? When can Celcius withdrawals start up again? Investors felt conned and taken advantage of after making substantial investments and vehemently supporting the crypto lender's motto, "Unbank yourself." Due to investors' fear of experiencing the same destiny as Luna UST, the decision by Celcius to limit withdrawals caused a stir among members of the cryptocurrency community. Retail investors have amassed wealth thanks to cryptocurrencies during the past year on the back of what may be perceived as a once-in-a-lifetime chance to make money. Investors are now rethinking their trust in certain cryptocurrency companies, including Celcius Network, as the tide is receding for risk assets, with cryptocurrencies seeing particularly severe falls. According to its website, Celcius had 1.7 million users and $12 billion in client funds at the beginning of May, most of which came from retail customers. Due to the network's decision, securities authorities in several states have made it a high priority to look into the cryptocurrency lender. As further legal action draws near, Celcius Network is progressing toward atonement and perhaps even redemption. After sending shockwaves through the market a while ago after halting withdrawals, the cryptocurrency lender Celcius Network is back to give an update. In a blog post, the company requested additional time from users so that things could get back on track. Celcius said they are keeping an open line of communication with officials and regulators, as it has always been a top focus for the organization. Since Celcius is currently attempting to communicate, some investors might be tempted to predict recovery. Be sure to think about a few things before following suit. Although Celcius wants to reorganize, it's not obvious whether it can. Celcius applied for Chapter 11 bankruptcy protection, which enables businesses to renegotiate their debt while carrying on with operations. The stated objective of Celcius in this situation is to purchase time while sorting out its own debt and commitments to client deposits. A Chapter 7 liquidation, in contrast, forces a business to cease operations and sell all of its assets, thereby putting it out of business. To put it another way, Celcius may not be able to pay all of its debts in full, so it needs the legal protection of bankruptcy proceedings to liquidate assets, pay creditors and customers that they owed on time, and eventually resume operations with a fundamentally unaltered balance sheet. When the bankruptcy was declared, Celcius reported having $167 million in cash. Simon Dixon, the co-founder of the online investing site Bank to the Future, has suggested a recovery strategy akin to the one given to Bitfinex following its Bitcoin theft in August 2016 that, according to Dixon, was handled in less than 9 months. Without going into specifics, Dixon said he was eager to support Celcius with a recovery plan since he was a lender and stakeholder of Celcius and because of the short-term systemic impact on those that own Bitcoin. Following the historic hack, Bitfinex unveiled a recovery strategy that included promises to return to consumers in BFX tokens, which stood in for the misappropriated money. These tokens allowed consumers to speculate on the company's recovery by allowing them to trade on the open market or hold them for future reimbursement. Later, Bank to the Future collaborated with Bitfinex to assist consumers by turning BFX tokens into firm shares. However, due to the uncertainties surrounding Celcius's feasibility and the resulting reputational harm, only day traders and speculators are willing to take this risk on Celcius. The price and market capitalization of the Celcius token have both fallen more than 90% from their record highs. When will Celcius permit withdrawals? Celcius Network has disclosed that it would take time to implement the recovery strategy because the cryptocurrency market as a whole is still recuperating from a significant sell-off. Everyone seems to be speculating and operating without any formal information from the team regarding what will happen to the community moving forward. So, be cautious of investment gains that seem too good to be true if you're sitting on the sidelines and trying to draw a lesson from this crypto disaster. Celcius advertised loans with interest rates near 0%, loans backed by cryptocurrency assets, and annualized yields on cryptocurrency incentives of up to 18%. It appears that Celcius could keep those promises as long as the good times were going. High profits are not always a certainty, though, as times have changed. In the end, Celcius made commitments it was unable to fulfill. While the colossal crash of 2022 will be unpleasant, it will also be a necessary purge of projects that either don't work or were built on dubious premises. That's all from this video. What do you think will happen? Will the Celcius network get back on its feet, or will it go down with other dubious projects? See you in the following video.